Good morning. Now the Hong Kong market has started, and I can still see the price actions of the pre-market of S&P of the American market. Now let's see what has happened so far. Due to the coronavirus, the price fell sharply, and there was a shallow rebound of 38.2, and then it stopped, and go here, and another shallow rebound from the bulls to the bears at 38.2% also. And there is another uprising, and that is exactly double the price gap here. Therefore, fell here and then the rebounded. This is uh, double the size here, and that length and this length and this length is uh, approximately identical. That is the ABC uh, zigzag, and the ultimate rebound is at 61.8% of this waterfall here, and so it is a valid Gartley butterfly pattern. So it is bearish. But unfortunately, as a bear, I placed a sell order, but the prices has been sideways, and so I almost lost my confidence. But now I regain my confidence because of in a short time frame, you can see the price is now falling. Okay, now that is the okay. Now we can see in the prices lately there was a falling, and so and rebound, and so it formed a bearish pitchfork. And as the Adam Andrews said, will be the prices will be very likely will return to the median line of the pitchfork, and then also confirmed by the stochastic here is overbought, and it will go back, and so it's very likely for the higher probability to go back somewhere here. Of course, there is a bullish pitchfork also formed because of this price rising, and it really respected fork, and then the prices touch the median line, but it will kiss it and down. Of course, it's also possible. All in all, I have my stop loss at the top of this wave, and so if it's contrary to my prediction and it goes up, when I will stop out, and I may turn to be a bull, but at the moment it's still bear. As to astrology, there are two important lines here, and today we have the Pluto turning retrograde. That means it will be a kind of trend change. Also, there is a date where the Mercury will change sign, and then into the sign of Taurus to join the Sun there, and it will conjunct the Sun at that point. And so that could be another significant day for any change the trend or change the price action. Now this is another butterfly pattern formed lately at an hourly chart, and I can see analyze it. Okay, first you can see the price fell and rise, and a very deep retracement. I mean, a very deep retracement back to the bulls, and it's almost around that 78.6 Fibonacci level, and it fell again, and it is 61.8, and in return it become almost a double top. But since it's a bit higher than that, so it's a valid Gartley, and the overall rebound is around 78.6. So I would consider it a kind of valid Gartley butterfly pattern, though it's bearish. So it could be falling and also in line with the Andrews pitchfork. So it's quite likely that we're all the way down somewhere in this line. Okay, thank you, and then I will keep my eye on the price action, and will have to adjust my prediction. But at the time being, I still consider it bearish. And the bull market was, of course, we regain, into a uh, long term, yeah, long term. Then the price will still up, but that will be quite a long term. But I mean, the price will all up after this kind of correction, but at a short term, I would consider it still bearish. And remember that this year is the election year, so that can be bullish by the end of the year or after July or something. But at the time being, whether it's for May and June, the prices won't go up very much, and if it's not bearish, it may be sideways. So we have to trade short term in and out. At the moment, I would keep my selling position still at here, and I hope that will go down and get some kind of profit. Thank you.